Today I got a Hyundai Sonata. Customer come in and said his radio's not coming on. I asked him, so what happened? He said, well, he was driving, all of a sudden the radio doesn't come on, just like so. So, first thing that I would want to do, I don't want to take that off yet. I mean, I can, if I wanted to, I can check the power, see if it's got power. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to start off at checking the fuse. Now, in order to test the fuse, I will use this multimeter. It's called a Fluke. I'm going to set up to right there for tone. Basically, if you touch both of the fuse, if it's good, you will hear a noise, a beeper noise. You hear that noise? So if you touch the two fuse and it doesn't make no noise, it means that the fuse is out. So you remove the fuse out under the on the driver's side. Well, I kind of basically already knew what's going on with it. So if you look at the fuse right here, you want to look at right there by air conditioner. Right underneath the air conditioner, there's a module that go to your radio, that turn on your radio. Now this module, this thing doesn't say it like radio or anything like that. It will tell you amp. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check this 2 right there. The number, I guess they probably have a number, did they? 2, 3, yeah, number 2 right there. So I'm gonna go to number 2. I'm gonna check it and see if I'm gonna using one hand, see if I can do one hand. Actually, hold on, I had to use 2 hands doing what I'm doing right now. I push both sides on each end right there. There's no sound, nothing. So it means the fuse is blown. So if the fuse is blown, that means the radio doesn't get any power to it. And you can kind of check on here. I don't know, I can focus it, but yeah, it's blown. So what you can do right now, you can look at the spare 10 amp spare. So here's a spare right there, a 10 amp spare. So it's next to number 30 amp and the module, which is the passenger seat, next to the passenger seat right there, 30. So I'm just gonna have to pull that out and put on here and plug it back to that number 2 right there underneath the air conditioning. So let's see if it works. So now I'm going to turn the key on to see if it's got power.
Be to every Christian. So
oh,
I would say
yep, it's working.
Better to go directly.
So that's it. Simple job. But if you don't know how, you're gonna spend hours trying to figure it out. But I got it going. Just had to call the customer, come pick it up. Thank you for watching. Like and comment below. Like and subscribe.